I want to dive in a topic that's crucial for our health, vitamin D. You often hear about getting it from the sun or taking a supplement. So, should we rely on sunlight for our vitamin D or supplements? First things first, what exactly is vitamin D and why does it matter? Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's actually a fat-soluble hormone that plays a crucial role in a variety of bodily functions. It helps with absorption of calcium, supporting bone health, boosts your immune system, and has even been linked to mood regulations and mental health. The most common way we hear about getting vitamin D is through the sun, but here's where things get interesting. Your body actually produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to UV rays from the sun. This process begins when UVB rays penetrate the skin and convert cholesterol into vitamin D. Sounds simple, but there are some important factors that can affect how much vitamin D you produce. The amount of vitamin D your body makes depends on several things like time of the day. The sun's UVB rays responsible for vitamin D synthesis are strongest during midday. Geographic location. People living in northern latitudes or places with strong winters have less access to strong UVB rays throughout the year season. In many regions, the sun angle is too low during winter months to produce sufficient vitamin D. Skin pigmentation. People with darker skin require more sun exposure to produce the same amount of vitamin D compared to lighter skin. Sunscreen use. Sunscreen can block UVB rays and reduce vitamin D production, and cloud and air pollution can filter out UVB rays. So, as you can see, relying solely on sunshine for vitamin D can be tricky. Most of us don't get enough sun exposure due to lifestyles and where we live. But even with sun exposure, it's not always enough, especially if you're not outside long enough or wearing sunscreen. What about supplements? If sunlight isn't always an option, you're told supplements can be an easy way to get vitamin D. There are two main types of vitamin D supplements, D2 and D3. D3 is the most commonly found in supplements and is more effective at raising vitamin D levels in the blood compared to D2. So if you're looking for a supplement, D3 is your best bet. The recommended daily intake varies based on age, health conditions, and lifestyle. Generally, the recommended amount is about 600 to 800 per day for adults, but some experts suggest higher doses, especially for those with deficiencies or conditions like osteoporosis or autoimmune diseases. It's crucial to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Vitamin D deficiency is more common than you might think. It can lead to a variety of health issues like weakened bones, fatigue, and even depression. But, and this is important, too much vitamin D can be harmful as well. Overdosing on vitamin D, usually from supplements, can cause nausea, kidney damage, and calcium buildup in the blood. So, sunlight or supplements. Some studies show the dangers of supplementing vitamin D. If you supplement vitamin D, you're gonna become deficient in A and K, as those three vitamins work as a synergy. If you're in an area easy to get enough sunlight, it would be ideal. Sunlight is natural and free, and it helps your body create vitamin D in the most bioavailable form. Ideally, a combination of sensible sun exposure and a healthy diet, including foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, raw milk, butter, and organ meats. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in many aspects of your health. Listen to your body and make sure you're staying safe while soaking up the sun.